What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I turn this into this, continue watching. Hi guys, today I'm doing a twist out. Basically, these are the twists from my last video, the curly 2-strand twist, which I will link up above somewhere on one of these sides. So if you want to see me turn these twists into a twist out, continue watching. So we're gonna start in the front. Basically, it's easy to untwist because they're pretty much starting to unravel on their own. Okay, I'm gonna put them back in a ponytail. I don't have my scrunchie down here, so I don't have not a one down here. That's crazy. So I believe I already did these. Yeah, these are already done. So being that this hairstyle was starting to get really frizzy and my scalp was starting to itch, I'm taking it loose. Yeah, I recorded a video of my ancestry's DNA, but the what was it? The screen for my recording didn't show up. All you get is my reaction and not the actual recording of what I'm seeing on the screen. So I'll probably re-record that, but it won't be my first reaction or my initial reaction to what the DNA test say. So I probably just do a review and a comparison of the two, the ancestry and the 23andMe DNA test. I probably do those two combined, show y'all the difference between the two, tell you which one I like best. But, so it'll probably be one of my next videos. I'll probably like, why are you separating it from the top and down? What I'm doing is, when I'm doing it, I'm holding the bottom, but I'm twisting the bottom at the same time, which makes it loose also. So I'm not tangling up my hair, y'all. Just letting you know. Like that, girl. But what I'm doing is basically twisting the end with this hand while I'm working my finger down at the top. See, that one I didn't work all the way down, so I caught a little knot. But I'm twisting and they pop out. I think I got them all out now. So this is basically my curls. That's basically it. If you do this style, you can fluff your scalp, which I'm not gonna do because, as I said, I'm horrible at fluffing, horrible at separating, so not trying to do it. So this will be my style for the next couple of days, probably, until I'm ready to do my to wash my hair and all that good stuff. Probably rock it with this African headband. I need to go get me a few more because I've been wearing the same one a lot, but this is pretty much it. This is the end of the video, so I'll see y'all in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.